Hey, it's Debbie Zoyce, and I'm excited to be here with Mary Kay. She has a long history in real estate and in Vegas. And one of the things that amazes me, MK, is that you just have clients that stick with you and keep on coming back and growing, and sisters and mothers and brothers and everywhere. How does that work, and why is it like that?
Gosh, Debbie, I don't know. I've been doing this for 18 and a half years, and I spent 7 days a week doing open houses and door knocking, and I just have put everybody in the database and I've been marketing to them, and it's just they just keep coming back to me because I'm top of their mind.
Well, and I don't think you're being fair to yourself, MK. I don't think it's because you put them in the database. I don't think it's because you market to them. I think it's because you genuinely care and you're building relationships with your people.
Yes, that's true. A lot of my clients turn into friends and family. Matter of fact, I've been traveling with one couple. We travel with them. They've been into my birthday parties, Christmas parties. Other people want me to come over for dinner and lunch all the time, and it's hard to have lunch every day with a different client. But it happens. It happens. You make it happen.
So if somebody has a referral, what's the best way to get that to you?
The best way to get a referral to me is to just call me, text me, email. I know we're not supposed to have our phones 24/7, but people can pretty much get a hold of me whenever they need to. So call, text, or email.
And you want them to call with a person's name and number, right? You don't want them just to give out your number.
I don't mind them giving out my number, and getting the people's name and number is also very helpful. So yeah, it's best if they can give me a referral with their name and number.